Hi there, and welcome to this video by the TechyV.com, your solution provider. In this video, I'll focus on VMware Thinapp. An application lets you to virtualize another application. You have the freedom for what and how you will use your computer. And along with the choice, it is also laborious to install each application separately in your each individual machines. With VMware Thinapp, you can just install an application once and then run it anywhere by making it portable. VMware is one of the legends in virtualizing the computer world. If you're new to VMware products, then you can try one by downloading a 60-day trial version of VMware Thinapp. You need to log into your VMware account to download it, or if you don't have, then you need to create one and it's free. After you complete the registration, you'll be directed to the download page. It's provided with the license number and you'll need it to install Thinapp. You can click on the manually download link to directly grab the installer, or you can also download its manual which tells about its usage and what type of applications that cannot be virtualized. To build a portable application, you need to capture its installation process, and it's better to do it in a fresh computer. For example, you can do it in a newly installed Windows operating system with no other massive applications installed excepting the necessary drivers only. You can do it in a virtually installed Windows. And to keep it fresh, I'm doing the same on a virtual Windows XP using the VMware Workstation 8. So I'm copying the installer there. Okay, just make sure that you're logged in as the administrator to install it. Double click on the .exe file. Now click the run button to verify running this file and it will load the installer. Okay, welcome to the installation wizard. This is the VMware products patent list. Click next to continue. To agree with the end user license agreement, click here to select I accept and then click next. Now you'll be asked to enter the username and license key. Just paste the serial number in the license key field which you've got from the download page and type the VMware account's name in the license name field. Then finally click install to begin installation process, and it can take a minute or two. Okay, it's done. Now click finish to end. As I said, you can package an application by capturing its installation. And the advantage of doing this in a virtual OS or VMware Workstation is that you can take a snapshot before the installation so that you can revert to the previous state where the system was fresh. Now you can build a portable application by 5 steps using the Thinapp setup capture. Go to Start menu, All Programs, VMware, then select Thinapp setup capture and it will run the wizard. Welcome to Thinapp setup capture. Here it shows a preview of all the steps. Click next to proceed. First, it will do a pre-scan. That is a system scan before you install the application. So click pre-scan to start. Now minimize it and install the application that you want to make portable. As an example, I'll install Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator from its Master Collection CS 5.5. So just install it as you usually do. Since I'll make only Photoshop and Illustrator portable, so I'm deselecting all other features with keeping core components only. And finally, install it. If it requires any restart during installation, then do it. Setup capture will resume to its previous state. Okay, it's complete. You can run the application and review or set your activation or any configurations as your personal choice. Now you can close it and restore the setup capture. Click post scan and it will scan the system changes after installation. Alright, now configure the package settings. First, it will show list of entry points made during installation. Only select the .exe files that you want to package. Then click next. For easy and safe operation, keep these settings as it is and keep proceeding. Okay, this is where you set the extension of your package. For a single tiny application, you can store it in one .exe file, but it's recommended to store it in a .dat file for larger multiple applications. You can create a .msi installer to store all shortcuts and registries. Select Compress Virtual Package and it will compress that MSI. Now click Save and it will save an image of the total installation. Okay, now finally click build to build the package. Alright, it's done. Now click finish and it will open the package executables. So these are the files. Now you can copy these files to another machine and test them. Just run the .exe file to launch the application directly. Only be sure to keep the .dat file along with the executables. Or alternatively, you can run the .msi file, then it will install the total image according to your pre-configured settings. So that's it. You can run your packages in Windows platform only since you have made it in that environment. So thank you for watching this. You can visit the TechyV.com and read related articles.